Hi guys! Kamusta po? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At yung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Pine tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel, you know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video din naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Ellie and kinanta niya dito guys yung Love Me for What I Am. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood to, kaya play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, hanggang tara. Play na natin. Okay? Bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Ellie.
You fell in love
Oh, ganda.
on the first night that we met. Together we've been happy. I have very few regrets.
Oh, yung ganda ng voice tone niya ha.
Ordinary problems have not been hard to face.
Wow.
But
Galing.
lately little changes have been slowly taking place. You're
Oh my God.
always
Ang
finding
galing.
something is wrong
Tago
in
sa heart.
what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you wanted or hope that
Galing.
I will be.
Eh, ang ingay ng tricycle na dumaan.
You're only using me to fit your
Wow.
fantasy.
Wow.
You're not in love,
Ang galing.
so let me go.
Isa pa guys.
I must be free.
Isang play pa.
You fell in
Oh.
love on the first
Grabe no yung emosyon pag kumakanta siya na tumatagos talaga sa heart.
night that we've been
Tagos sa heart ko.
I have very
By the way,
few
happy Valentine's
regrets.
everyone.
The ordinary problems
Wow.
have not been hard to
Sa pakinggan.
face. But lately little changes have been slowly taking
Wow.
place. You're always finding something
Galing.
is wrong in what I do. But you can rearrange my life because it pleases you. You've got to
Wow.
love
Ang
me
galing.
for what
Ah.
I am, for
Grabe.
simply
My heart.
being me.
My heart is melting.
Don't love me for what you wanted or hope that I will be.
Galing.
If you're only using me to fit your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let
Galing.
me go.
Eh, gusto ko yung boses niya. Grabe yung boses niya. Napakalamig. Napakaganda. Ang ganda ng boses ni Ellie, no? Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung boses niya. Sana ganito yung boses ko. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, sige nyo malaking like. And mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request sa video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye po!